Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the display of the MI Note 10 Lite versus a Redmi K20 Pro device. So it is a Redmi K20 Pro device, which is a premium end mobile phone from the Redmi, and whereas the MI Note 10 Lite is kind of close to a premium range, but it's a little bit higher than the mid-range mobile phone. And let's compare side by side with the display qualities. And because the reason I'm doing this video, a lot of viewers are asking me to do this kind of comparison with the Redmi K20 Pro. So which display looks and which is the best in terms of the color saturation levels and contrast levels. And before starting the video, if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly, do check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. So you can find plenty of useful wallpapers over there. And also subscribe to my channel and make me to reach 25k very soon, as soon as possible. So definitely friends, all these phones whichever I reviewed in my channel, all of the phones which I bought with my own money, so definitely I need some kind of support from you all. And also don't forget to like the video and definitely subscribe and try to support me. And let's get started by comparing the both screen size. So the MI Note 10 Lite has same kind of screen size for the Redmi K20 Pro device. So but both are having the same Super AMOLED displays. So let me play the same video in both the phones and let's compare which phone looks better. So as you can see clearly, I'm playing the same video in both the phones. Let me increase the full brightness levels. So both the phones are having pretty good brightness levels. And if you notice, the MI Note 10 Lite has a curved edges, as you can see, so which is a kind of curve, so which looks pretty good. And Redmi K20 Pro doesn't have any notch, so which is also another advantage for the Redmi K20 Pro device. So overall, in terms of the colors, both the phones are very close to each other, so I did not find much difference between both the phones. So overall, having the curved edges makes a little bit of kind of immersive experience while watching videos. So as you can see, the Redmi K20 Pro has got slightly small bezels in the bottom, so which is very small, noticeable. So that is one thing which I noticed. So here you can clearly see the color difference. There is not much difference between both the phones. So overall, if you ask me which phone will I choose, I would choose definitely MI Note 10 Lite because of the curved edges, so which looks pretty premium. Same reason why I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro as my daily user, the OnePlus 7 Pro, so which has the same kind of curved edges. So that is another reason why I'm using. And after using MI Note 10 Lite, I didn't feel any time this is a mid-range mobile phone. So I felt this kind of this is a mobile with a high premium of budget, the MI Note 10 Lite. So this is the main reason which felt like the curved edges. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So right now both are at 10% and both phones are doing pretty good. Let me decrease to 5. And even in the 5, both are doing pretty fine. There is no problem. And 0. Yep. So both the phones are very low brightness in terms of the 0. So do comment below which display you like the most and why. This is the overall display comparison side by side with the MI Note 10 Lite versus Redmi K20 Pro device. So many users are waiting for this video. So finally, it's up to you friends which phone is the best, because for me the curve edges matters, and for you, if you don't like the curve, then definitely you can have this kind of full screen experience. But both are very good in terms of the display saturation and contrast levels, so there is no problem in that. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech and help me to reach very soon for 25k. So that will be very helpful for me. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.